Hello everyone, welcome back to video course on computer network. In this video, we will see classification of a computer network. At the end of this video, learner will be able to understand local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network, that is LAN, MAN, and WAN. To know various devices involved in LAN, MAN, and WAN. To understand the difference between LAN, MAN, and WAN network. Computer networks are basically classified into three categories: local area network, also known as LAN, metropolitan area network, known as MAN, and wide area network, known as WAN. Local area network. As the name indicates that local area network is designed for small premises. A local area network is a private network that connects computer and devices within a limited area like residence, office, building, or campus. Local area network can be designed with wired medium or wireless medium. In wired LAN network, Ethernet cables are used to connect various devices. Ethernet cable can be straight through cable or crossover cable. Straight through cable is used to connect two different devices. Like suppose if you want to connect computer to the switch, then straight through cable is used, or if you want to connect two computers to each other, then crossover cables are used. In wired LAN network, switch or hub and Ethernet cables are used for network designing. In case of wireless local area network, wireless access points are used for connectivity purpose. The example of wireless LAN is Wi-Fi. Let us see the example of local area network. As you see in this diagram, various devices like laptop, mobile phone, desktop computer are connected to wireless access point. The connectivity between laptop and wireless access point is done with LAN cable. The cable is used as straight through cable as the both devices, laptop and router, are different. The connectivity between mobile and router is done with the help of wireless access point. Wi-Fi connectivity is used for connecting mobile to the router. Features of local area network. Network size is limited to a small geographical area, presently to a very few kilometers. A data transfer rate is generally high compared to MAN and WAN. The data range is from 100 Mbps to 1000 Mbps. In general, local area network uses only one type of transmission medium. Commonly, category 5 coaxial cables are used for local area network. The number of computers connected to local area networks is usually restricted. In other words, we can say that LAN networks are having limited scalability. Metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network, MAN, is a network with greater size than LAN but smaller than WAN. It normally comprises network interconnections within a city that also offer a connection to the internet. The example of MAN network are cable TV network, telephone network providing high-speed DSL line. In metropolitan area network, various LAN networks spread across the various parts of the city are interconnected to each other. For this connection, various networking devices like switch, hub, router, bridge are used for connection purpose. Example of metropolitan area network. As you see in this example, various networks across the city are interconnected to each other by different medium. As you see in this example, various networks designed for office premises, residential area, government buildings, or school campus university campus. All these networks are interconnected to each other with the help of bridges and routers. Features of metropolitan area network. The network size of metropolitan area network generally ranges from 5 to 50 kilometers. The data rates are moderate to high. It facilitates sharing of regional resources. It is used to provide uplinks for connecting LANs to the WAN and internet. The conversion of local area network to metropolitan area network is easy. Wide area network. When network span over large distance or when computers to be connected to each other at widely separated location, wide area networks, that is WAN, are installed. The communication between different users of WAN is established using leased telephone lines, satellite links, and other transmission medium. Most of the WAN networks are used to transfer large blocks of data between its user. Example of WAN. The best example of a wide area network is internet. In internet, many users across the world are interconnected to each other. Difference between local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. Ownership. LAN area networks are generally private network. Wide area networks are private or public. Metropolitan area networks are private or public. Geographical area. LAN networks are suitable for small premises. Wide area networks are suitable for large distances. Metropolitan area size is ranges between LAN and WAN. Design and maintenance. LAN networks are very easy to design. Wide area networks are not easy to design. Metropolitan area network are not easy to design. Communication medium. In LAN network, coaxial cable are used to connect the devices. In wide area network, PSTN network or satellite links are used for connection purpose. In metropolitan area networks, coaxial medium, PSTN network, optical fiber cables, and wireless access point are used for connectivity purpose. Bandwidth. LAN network having low bandwidth, wide area network having high bandwidth, metropolitan area network having moderate bandwidth. Data speed. The speed in LAN network is maximum compared to WAN and MAN. In wide area network, the speed is low compared to LAN and MAN. In metropolitan area network, the speed is moderate in between LAN and WAN.